Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today I am sharing 3 types of deliciously divine whipped drinks. Let's get started. For the whipped rose milk, take a mixing bowl and to this add 3 tablespoons of chilled whipping cream and add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Gently mix and whip the whipping cream for 30 to 40 seconds. I am using an electric whisk over here. You can use hand whisk as well. Just make sure that the whipping cream is cold enough so that you can whip up in no time. Now add half a teaspoon of rose milk essence. Let's whisk everything together until a soft peak consistency has been formed. You can see that it's almost done. So let's stop the whisk and scrape the sides of the bowl and whisk again for another 10 seconds. Our rose flavored whipping cream is now ready. Take a glass and add a few ice cubes. Now pour in some chilled milk. Just fill the 3/4 of the glass. Using a spoon, gently layer the top with our flavored whipping cream. Work with a spoon and gently spread the whipping cream. Add a straw and our whipped rose milk is ready. For the whipped mango drink, take a mixing bowl and add 3 tablespoons of whipping cream. Using an electric whisk, whisk for 30 to 40 seconds. Now add 3 tablespoons of mango jam. So this is a shortcut guys, this is an option. You can replace this with mango syrup or mango puree. I did not have anything of that at home. I only had mango jam and mango jam will do just fine. So trust me guys, use mango jam and you have a deliciously whipped mango drink. Our whipping cream is almost done, so let's use a spatula and scrape the sides of the bowl and whip again for another 10 seconds. We have reached a soft peak consistency, so our mango whipping cream is ready. Now gently layer the flavored whipping cream. Add a straw and our whipped mango milk is ready. For our last drink, take 3 tablespoons of chilled whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and finally 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Give a mix and whisk the whipping cream until soft peak consistency has been formed. Our chocolate whipping cream is now ready. Repeat the process and layer the top with chocolate whipping cream. add a straw and a whipped chocolate milk is ready. There we go, our 3 amazing whipped drinks. They are so easy to make, and once mixed, they have a thick consistency like a milkshake, and you don't need a blender for this. Do try this recipe guys and share your pic with us. Follow us on Instagram and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.